Easy currency trading for beginners. Discover the best pairs to trade now. Currency trading, also known as foreign exchange forex trading, is an attractive option for many beginner investors looking to get started in the financial markets. Currency trading can provide opportunities for profit, diversification, and flexibility compared to traditional asset classes like stocks and bonds. However, currency trading can also be complex with its own unique set of risks and considerations. As a beginner, it's important to approach currency trading with caution and a solid understanding of the market dynamics and trading strategies. In this detailed guide, we'll cover the basics of currency trading for beginners, including the most popular currency pairs to consider, the benefits and risks of forex trading, and tips to help you get started on the right foot. The basics of currency trading. Currency trading, or forex trading, involves the exchange of one national currency for another. The forex market is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, with a daily trading volume of over $6 trillion. The forex market is decentralized, meaning there is no central exchange or clearing house. Instead, currency trading takes place over the counter through a global network of banks, financial institutions, and individual traders. Currencies are traded in pairs, such as the US dollar and the euro or the British pound and the Japanese yen GBP at JPY. The value of one currency is always measured in relation to another. When you buy a currency pair, you are effectively betting that the value of the base currency, the first currency in the pair, will increase relative to the currency, the second currency in the pair. Conversely, when you sell a currency pair, you are betting that the value of the base currency will decrease relative to the currency. The most popular currency pairs for beginners. As a beginner, it's important to start with the most liquid and widely traded currency pairs. These pairs typically have the tightest spreads, the difference between the buy and sell price, and the highest trading volume, making them more suitable for beginner traders. Here are some of the most popular currency pairs for beginners. 1. USD Euro, U.S. Dollar. The USD is the most heavily traded currency pair, accounting for a significant portion of the overall forex market. It's considered a major pair and is known for its relatively low volatility and tight spreads. 2. USD US Dollar. Japanese yen. The USD is another major currency pair that is heavily traded. The Japanese yen is considered a safe haven currency, meaning it tends to appreciate during times of market uncertainty or economic turmoil. 3. GBP FUSD British Pound, U.S. Dollar. The GBP USD, also known as the cable, is a highly liquid and volatile currency pair. The British pound is the fourth most traded currency in the world, making this pair a popular choice for beginner traders. 4. USD CHF US Dollar aus Swiss franc. The USD CHF is another major currency pair that is often used as a hedge against market volatility. The Swiss franc is considered a safe haven currency similar to the Japanese yen. 5. AUD USD Australian Dollar, U.S. Dollar. The AUD, also known as the Aussie, is a commodity-linked currency pair that is influenced by the performance of the Australian economy and commodity prices, particularly gold and copper. These are just a few of the most popular currency pairs for beginners. As you gain more experience and confidence in your trading, you may want to consider expanding your portfolio to include other pairs or more exotic currencies. Benefits of currency trading for beginners. Currency trading can offer several benefits for beginner investors, including 1. Accessibility. The forex market is highly accessible with low barriers to entry. Many brokers offer the ability to start trading with a relatively small amount of capital, making it an attractive option for beginner investors. 2. Liquidity. The forex market is the most liquid financial market in the world with a high volume of trading activity. This means that it's generally easy to enter and exit positions quickly, which can be particularly useful for beginner traders. 3. Leverage. Forex trading allows the use of leverage, which can amplify both gains and losses. While leverage can be a powerful tool, it's important for beginners to use it cautiously and understand the risks involved. 4. Diversification. Adding currency trading to your investment portfolio can provide diversification benefits, as the forex market tends to have a low correlation with other asset classes like stocks and bonds. 5. Flexibility. Currency trading can be done 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, giving traders the flexibility to trade at a time that suits their schedule and trading style. Risks of currency trading for beginners. While currency trading can offer several benefits, it also comes with a unique set of risks that beginner traders should be aware of. 1. Volatility. The forex market is highly volatile, with currency prices fluctuating rapidly based on a variety of economic, political, and geopolitical factors. This volatility can be both an opportunity and a risk for traders. 2. Leverage risk. As mentioned earlier, leverage can amplify both gains and losses. Beginner traders should use leverage cautiously and be aware of the potential for significant losses. 3. Emotional challenges. Currency trading can be emotionally demanding, with traders needing to stay disciplined and manage their emotions to avoid making impulsive decisions. 4. Learning curve. Successful currency trading requires a significant amount of learning and practice. Beginner traders should be prepared to invest time and resources into developing their trading skills and knowledge. 5. Regulatory risks. The forex market is a decentralized market, which means it's subject to less regulation than more traditional financial markets. This can increase the risk of fraud or other unethical practices for beginner traders. Tips for beginner currency traders. To help navigate the world of currency trading as a beginner, here are some tips to keep in mind. 1. Start with a demo account. Many forex brokers offer demo accounts that allow you to practice trading with virtual money before risking real capital. This is an excellent way to learn the ropes and develop your trading skills without exposing yourself to real financial risk. 2. Develop a trading plan. Create a well-defined trading plan that outlines your investment objectives, risk tolerance, and trading strategy. This will help you stay disciplined and make informed decisions. 3. Educate yourself. Invest time and resources into learning about the forex market, currency pairs, trading strategies, and risk management techniques. There are many online resources, educational materials, and trading courses available to help you get started. 4. Start with small positions. When you're ready to start trading with real money, begin with small position sizes and gradually increase as you gain more experience and confidence. 5. Manage your risk. Implement robust risk management strategies, such as using stop-loss orders and limiting your leverage to protect your capital and minimize potential losses. 6. Be patient and persistent. Successful currency trading takes time, dedication, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. Avoid getting discouraged and stick with your trading plan. Remember, as a beginner currency trader, it's essential to approach the market with caution, a commitment to continuous learning, and a well-defined trading strategy. By following these tips and taking the time to develop your skills, you can increase your chances of success in the dynamic and exciting world of currency trading. If you're ready to get started in the world of currency trading, be sure to use the referral code 911 when registering with the BingX crypto exchange. BingX offers a user-friendly platform, competitive trading fees, and a wide range of educational resources to support beginner traders. Get started today and take the first step towards your currency trading journey.